Hello, kindergartners. Today we are going to be doing the weekly launch in our Green My View book. Please turn to page 122. This week's weekly question is, how can we protect ourselves in bad weather? Over here, the infograph shows the title of Be Prepared and says it is good to be prepared for bad weather. One way to prepare is by packing important supplies. The infographic picture shows a supply kit, a flashlight, some clothing, batteries, food, and water. It also shows a radio and some bandages. And the Turn and Talk says, talk about the items in the supply kit. Then talk about other things you might pack to be prepared for bad weather. Does your family have a supply kit for bad weather, either in your house or in your car? You can have that conversation with your parents. Please turn the page to page 124, and we're going to look at the review and reinforce pages. On page 124, we have words for K and S. The letter K makes the K sound, and the letter S makes the S and Z sound. The directions say read and write. The first word in the box is sit. The next word shown is it, kit. And the third word, I can tell that the I is going to say its name because I noticed that it has a bossy E on the end, is B-I-K. We're going to look at each sentence, read it, and fill it in with the word that best makes sense. I see a bike at the beginning of this sentence, and the sentence itself says, I have a, and then they have in dotted lines gone through and written the word bike. So I can get my pencil out over here, and I can trace the word bike. B-I-K-E. The next sentence says, he can blank. I wonder if this picture shows him sitting or kit. Which word makes most sense in that sentence? And the last sentence says, the blank is big. What do you think this is a picture of? On the next page, we have words for W and M. We know that a W makes a W sound and an M makes a M sound. And the directions say read and write. Again, we have the pictures down the left side and sentences on the right. The first sentence says, the grass is, and I can see the dotted line word has a W word of wet. So I'm going to trace over with my pencil. Wet. The next sentence says, look at the blank. What is this a picture of? Does this word begin with an M or a W? And then the last sentence says, I like the blank. We're going to think about what could this be, a word that begins with W or M. Talk to you later, kids. Bye.